Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today is we're on 10. 10. Day 10. It's night. I have not picked up the camera today until now. I had a class this morning for real estate, so I had to go take that class. And after I took that class, came home, it was so boring. Boring. I took that class. I was struggling to stay awake in that class. So as soon as I got out of that class, when we took a break, I walked. I went outside and walked the parking lot. We got, I think, 15-minute break we got. I walked the parking lot in the heat to try to wake up. It was from 10 to 1. So when I got there, they always have breakfast for you or something. Somebody sponsored and you get food. So they had a fruit tray with strawberries, blueberries, pineapples. So I got me some of that and ate it. And when they sat down and did the little boring class, it wasn't, well, I won't say it wasn't interactive because people was asking a lot of questions. It was on contracts and who can sign for the contracts, like spouses, or if you have your home under LLC when you change your ownership of your home, that type of thing, or you have it in a trust or what have you. So it's about all that stuff. It wasn't boring. It was a lot of information. It was valuable information and good information, but the teacher wasn't upbeat. And sometimes you get teachers that keep the class going and questions and very inactive. Wasn't that he is a lawyer, so he was like put you to sleep. Oh my God, because I was sleepy. And I slept. Oh my God. I slept again last night. This is just going to be a chit chat. I slept again last night. I went to bed. I ain't go to bed till late. Because again, I'm watching Project Runway. I'm hooked on it. I'm watching it streaming it on some app. I don't know. But I'm on season 16 and I got to the finale, but I fell asleep on the finale. So I got to watch that tonight. So I haven't watched it today. But I slept. I got into bed. I think I got in bed again at 12 o'clock per usual. I was getting in bed 11, 12 o'clock. And then I was watching Project One Way. And I remember getting up at 1:30 where I was watching. I was like, I'm going to go to the bathroom and turn this thing off and go to bed because I got to go to class. So it probably was like 2:30 before I went to sleep because I turned it off, went to sleep, and when I woke up, it was 8:15. I won't be sleeping no 8 o'clock. Missed my talk with my cousin because we talked when she on her way to work. Missed it. She was like, your phone was going straight to voicemail. I was like, yeah, because it was off because I put it on airplane mode when I go to sleep at night because this little thing in my arm gets to beeping if it get too low or too high or it's off and it wakes me up. So I turned it off. I turned the whole thing off. I missed her call this morning. It was straight sleep. So I went to class, came home. I got home about 1:30. I was still exhausted. I was talking to my cousin. We got group chat. One of my cousins was like, when I looked at it, when I walked in the house, she was like, I'm sleeping. I said, girl, me too. I'm going to lay on this couch. I sent her a picture of me laying on the couch. And I went to sleep and I slept for 2 hours. 2 hours. I don't even take naps. I don't know who this new person is. I don't take naps. I rarely sleep. I'm tired, I guess, because I went to sleep. I went straight to sleep. And the only reason I woke up is because my sister called and it rings on my watch. And I was like, I'll call her back. And I drifted back off and she called again. I said, if she called me 2 times in a row, something's wrong. So let me answer the phone. So I answered the phone and talked to her. And then I got on up and went to work because I had done zero work. Hadn't edited my video to load for the day. Hadn't done no work. Nothing. I had done absolutely nothing. I was like, okay. So I went upstairs and did some work, and I hadn't eaten anything. What I did was I came back downstairs. I ate because I had them overnight oats. I ate the fruit this morning, but I didn't eat anything when I came home. So I ate some of them overnight oats and went on upstairs and did some more work. I ain't did nothing, ate nothing tonight, so I just decided to make me a smoothie. I drank it all. And I said, well, I guess I need to make a video So here we are with me and my dirty glasses with 5,000 fingerprints on it. Excuse me, I'm always belching all this fiber. So I had a smoothie, a protein smoothie with some fruit in it. And that's all. I'm not eating anything else. And I ain't chalk it up as a loss for today. Because I know for a fact I did not get enough calories in my body today. But I felt better after I woke up from my nap. It was a good nap. I slept hard. I mean, I was exhausted. That man put me straight to sleep. I was sleepy. And I felt so good this morning after I woke up and had my little 6 hours of sleep. I'm going to chalk it to 6. Because it was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It wasn't 6. 5 something, but still. That's good for me, especially when I didn't wake up not one time to go to the bathroom. And I got me a new mattress cover yesterday. I was supposed to put it on my bed yesterday. That's what I'm going to get back go upstairs and do. Got me a Nova Form mattress cover. Because I need a new mattress. But I ain't buying a new mattress. I just bought me a mattress pad covers. I'm going to put that thing on my bed and see how I sleep tonight. Because, I'm going to go to bed early. I'm going to get in bed at 11 o'clock. And I'm not even going to turn that project. Because I only got one episode left, the finale. I'm going to watch that finale and I ain't going to watch nothing else. And I'm going to roll over and see if I can get 8 hours of sleep tonight. I didn't walk and I might. It's almost 9 o'clock. I might go up and walk for 30 minutes. Alright, got on the treadmill. I did 1.25 miles, 25 minutes, burned 57 fat calories, 182 calories, and my speed was 3.0. Let's look on the watch. The watch says 26 minutes, 1.15 miles. It's a variation in what's on the watch in there because, of course, it's two different things. The calories on here is 85. You can see that 86 fat calories and 123 calories. So there's a difference in that too. So this treadmill is 26 years old. So we get what we get on here. And then you check your pulse on here, but I didn't do my pulse on here because I just used what's on my watch, which is 124 average beats per minute. So that's what we have. And watching my Project Runway. So, yep, that's it. To get my 30 minutes in, to close my rings on my watch, and do 1 mile. Yep, I probably go do 1 mile so I can have my exercise for the day because I said I was going to exercise every day for 7 days to see what my numbers do. So I'll probably go up and walk 1 mile on my treadmill because I actually walked twice yesterday. I walked in the morning and I walked in the evening because I said I might do 2 times a day because I won't say he's my friend. He's my YouTube friend. Robert, this guy I watch on YouTube. Hey, Robert, if you're watching, he said he walked 2 times a day and reversed his diabetes. I don't know how much he walked twice a day. If he walk a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, I don't know what he walks a day because he didn't tell me that part. So if you're watching, tell me how far you walk twice a day each time you walk, so I don't know. I'm going to reverse my diabetes, so I need to get an actual routine. I need to eat properly at the right times each day and all that because I've been off for the past 2 days not eating at the right times that I normally eat. Well, actually, I've been off since I started doing this fasting, this raw thing. My brain. Yesterday, when I went back and edited my video, I was like, I'm talking backwards. And I don't know what's going on. Maybe my brain doing something. Anywho, I hope it's fixing itself from the sea moss. Because it says it put back minerals you've been missing. So maybe it's reprogramming me. But anywho, that is it. I am going to go walk my mile. I'm going to change my bed and put that memory foam thing on there. Then I'm going to take me a shower, put my pajamas on, watch my 1 hour of Project Runway. Now I'm actually going to watch my 1 hour Project Runway while I'm walking on that treadmill. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Do that. And then I'm going to go to bed and see if I can sleep for 8 hours tonight with my 1 hour walk and still doing my sea moss gel. I showed y'all. Hold on, let me show you. This Because I'm not going to make the assumption everybody watch the videos. But this is the sea moss gel. I got it from Thrive Market. I won't be buying this again. Because it got natural flavors in it. And I don't trust that. When it says that, I usually try not to buy anything that says that. Because you don't know what it is. And it could be on some list of something. I prefer when it has it, when I buy stuff, it has all the ingredients and not hidden stuff. Natural ingredients could be anything. I mean, I don't know what that is. And I don't want it. And then it got it's wildcrafted sea moss. It got roaringberry extract. I don't even know what it is. It got monk fruit extract, natural sour sop flavor, and citric acid. Oh, it got natural sour. Oh, so I read it wrong last time. So it got natural sour sop flavor. Whatever that means. I don't even know what that means. I have to look that up. I thought it said natural flavors, but it don't. So I guess this is okay. But I gotta look that up. But this is what I've been taking, and what did it tell you to take? 2 tablespoons a day. That is the serving size. But I've been sleeping. I don't know if this California warning. Oh, well, pause. Let's see. California be telling you stuff. This product can expose you to metals known to the state of California to cause cancer to reproductive harm. That ain't good. I need to put this in my little app. Yeah, I won't be buying this one no more. But I'm glad they put that on there for California. I don't have no, it's Prop 65 warning for California. So it's probably whatever this natural sour sop flavor is, because nothing else in here would give you that. So we don't know what that is. Alright, yeah, I won't be buying this brand no more. I won't. But I must need to use sour sop. Because I promise you, I have not slept where I don't get up and go to the bathroom 2 and 3 times a night. That's why I be exhausted all the time. So I get up 2 or 3 times a night and go to the bathroom. And I haven't. The past 2 days, 2 nights, since I got, this is my 4th day taking that sour sop. That's the only thing I changed besides walking. In the past 3 nights, I've slept. Each night been a little bit more. And then the day I took a nap, I don't know who this new person is. I don't know her. But we'll see. We'll see if I can sleep 8 hours. If I can sleep 8 hours tonight, I'm going to find me some good sour sop gel that doesn't have natural flavors. And it's just a sour sop and whatever. I don't like the taste of it, but I put it in this smoothie every day if that's what's causing me to go to sleep. Because that is the missing denominator in my health, is sleep. Because I do not sleep well at all. And I'm sleeping through the night without hot flashes. So I don't know if it's preventing the hot flashes. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. We'll figure it out though. If I have to stop doing it and still see if I sleep, because I like to do that process elimination thing. What works for me. But anywho, I did go outside and water my garden. I might put sprinkle a little bit of that in here. I taped it on my phone. But my phone, I had it on a little thing and it fell over. I didn't know. I was all through the garden, came back and it was laying on the chair. So probably didn't pick none of it up. But if it did, I put a little bit of that in here. If not, Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Thank you for watching my journey. Day 10. We're going to keep it going. We're going to keep it going. And please like, comment below if you have any questions. Share the video with somebody you know that might, be trying to do the raw vegan thing. And hype the video. If you like it, hype it so other people can see it. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Mignana. Bye.